I can't hear shit out of this thing.
Hey, Bowman! Bowman!
What's up?
Right side!
Got him on right! How hard can it be? Pull the pin. Hey! Is it gonna explode? It didn't even work! Well, at least it's still loaded with BBs. And I've got another! Alright, let's try it the second one. That was a terrible throw. Whoops, sorry!
That grenade almost hit me.
But did it? Oh, it worked and I missed it! Oh, thank you.
Yep.
I think it was a gun hit, but I don't know. I can't feel anything! No. Dude, this thing is like a can of Monster in weight. Wait, hold this.
Holy shit.
Yeah, this is underhand only.
Oh, we started.
Hey, did we start?
Yes.
Oh, we started, okay. Oh, good shot, good shot.
Just missed that one.
Stay there, this is gonna be great. Oh, you got me.
Hey, bro, I don't know if you know this, but that shit's hitting the roof.
It is? Oh, good shot. This is nice. I like this.
No way. That's in the face.
Did you get me too?
Yeah. Damn, that was one ball.
No, it was two. I can't feel shit in this thing. Did you get me too?
No.
Frog out!
Oh, no. Beautiful. Push me, bitch.
You got me first. Right side! Oh, he's dead, he's dead. Yeah, good shot, good shot! Hey, pin him there! Frag out!
Right there.
You got me too? Hey, good shot! Yeah. Bunkhouse. Call it.
But wait! There's more!
Oh, good hit.
Help me, Dad.
What?
Can you feel anything with armor on?
Kind of. Depends on where I get hit. Frag out! Oh no! Oh no! Sorry! Bad throw! Frag out! Oh, sorry.
We need to push. We're being hungry.
Thank you. You know we'll clear out the left side. Frag out. Oh, that was bad. Oh, the fingers! Ah! I didn't touch it! I didn't touch it! Oh! Where did that come from? Ah, son of a gun! I didn't touch the wall! Please! Please! Hey, you got me too! Yep, got me too. You got me too. Good hit, good hit. You got me too. I see you. One going right through bunk. Thank you, thank you. Hi, buddy. Hi. Oh, good shot. Oh, wait, that's it? Game over.